Are you excited to play?
Oh, come on, I've played this before.
Oh.
Remember, I played Rock Band.
Oh, this is Beatles Rock Band. This is different. This is cooler.
Okay, there you go.
Get your sticks. Okay, you're the one on this side, on the right. Blue, blue. Play! Come on, play! I'm not recording anymore. Play. You want me to play? Okay, after this song I will. Play!
You gotta look at the color, you're not paying attention. Look at the color and then you play the color. Red.
Red, red. Now push the pedal on those orange things. Right when they come up to those bars, okay? Ooh, you got one. Okay, look at the colors, okay? So this is blue and this is green. So blue, green. But you have to do it blue and then blue and green together when that says that, okay? We've got a lot to teach you, boy. Oh, now it's red. Pay attention to the colors, okay? You got one! You got another! Good job! Okay, now it's the foot pedal. Right when the orange things come up to the color squares. You're gonna be a star in no time. You're a pro. Come on, keep playing.
Red and green.
Like Christmas colors. It's over. You did a good job. Give yourself a round of applause. Or just slap your sticks together. No? Oh, okay.
Which level are we on now, Rachel?
You're on level 10.
Level 3.
Free?
Yeah.
Like 3.
Do I mean my... Yeah, good thing you're on no fail mode.
For him.
So?
I need mine?
Yes. Said that weird. Hey, Bryce.
What?
You know who I'm going to show this to?
What?
I'm going to show this to Taylor. She moved away. Can you say hi to Taylor? Say, hi Taylor, I miss you. And you still owe me, what was it that she ate of yours? Gummy bears or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, she still owes you those. Oh, Smileys, that was it.
We're outside.
Yeah, we're outside.
You're on the roof. Rooftop jamboree. Can you say hi to Taylor? Say hi, Taylor. I miss you. Okay. Be a little shit. Cool. My favorite song. Guys, this is actually one of the easiest songs for you, okay? Here. No. You Bryce. Come on. Is she failing? Flowing more freely than wine. Look at this pro. What? You want to do level 3? Oh, well. I don't know what to tell you, kid. Ew, you can see smoke in the background from Michelle's cigarette. Sick. Just saying. Yeah! Rock out, Bryce.
Level 4.
Okay.
Level 4?
Yeah.
Alright.
Cancer. Why are you hitting me? Ouch.
That doesn't hurt. That doesn't hurt.
Oh, well, you're not the one being hit. Of course it doesn't hurt for you. Mr. Brycer Rue.
Don't hit anything if I tell you.
Yeah.
Alright, hit the green.
Good job. Bravo, I must say so myself.
This one again?
No, it's a different song. We're done recording here. There's nothing to see.